Well, hey guys, it is the excuse me, but it is the next night after I had in that little video of just a review of Winter Storm Gia. And I'm standing inside the giant snowboard. Because normally we're at the same house, where no one lives here. I don't think you guys can see it, but we are in a giant snow fort, and all the snow is gone. Yeah, this is a pretty big snow fort here. Not much of it's melted. My little snowman right over there. I don't know if you can see it. It is the top snow wall is melted. I think my made a passageway. There's still some snow over in his yard. He's not home. Let's go check. There's our lights. Automatically come on. Him and I, we leave some like snowflake stuff out in January just because it's always pretty cold. I don't know, he ain't here. So here's just the snow that's left over. Nothing big, nothing small. Just a little bit. There's a little laser light over there too. And then our neighbor, him and built the snowman. Guys, this one's not as good. I'm probably gonna destroy it. This bit right here. These are his decorations. Two crappy little snowmen, which I think are ridiculous because I don't like these. Here comes the Pizza Hut guy. Go so fast down our road. I want you guys to see I'm running. So that idiot don't see me. Going to our next door neighbors, I know that. I promise you he is. This guy's kind of getting you into. I like him. See, look how fast people come down our road. They'll pull right in there. Yep. I got it right. Exactly where all these people went at. Looks like he's got too nice of a van. Chrysler or Dodge. When you open the back door, the hazards come on. Where's my cracked TV? You got it back working. I know he's actually got his hazards on. I hate it when a person pulls in correctly. I'm going up there. Domino's is better than pizza. I tell you guys that. No, those people next door, they're people who don't even cook. I don't even think they have an oven in their house. That piece of crap TV isn't even working now, so. Saying, who really cares? Let me guys just give you a little more in-depth review. From last night on my phone. It's nice and warm in here. And it's going to Cape Girardeau, Missouri. My sister tried to go volleyball tournament. Highest possible drive with Carolina. That's surprising. It's gonna 8. It's not a bad song. I have my flash drive in here. My second flash drive. Just cheap SanDisk Walmart flash drive. This isn't the MyLink. This is ESPN. This is WCI.
Pitbull turns 38. New Orleans Saints quarterback Drew Brees. What's up, New Orleans? We know you're listening. We love you for listening. Drew turn.
This is a station you can't get all around the country. It's probably my favorite station around here besides 95.1. KGMO. KGMO actually has a really good tower. They've got a lot of kilowatts. So if you really want this station, you can get it in some of Arkansas, I think. You can get it as far north as Salem, Illinois. You can barely get it in St. Louis. You can get it just about everywhere. I mean, not just about everywhere. You can get it in Kentucky. What I like to listen to. I freaking hate this station. WISH. I don't know why I'm just telling you guys. 97.1. This is a new one. Sunny. This station's out of Paducah, Kentucky. Mix 96.5. This isn't that bad of a station, actually. They don't play stuff that's too good. They don't play stuff that's too bad. They play 80s. Girl, sit your hallelujah. Girl, sit your hallelujah. Oh, the wording ain't coming up. It should say mix 96.5. I mean, and we do pay for XM too. It's not a bad cars. All of our blankets and stuff in the back. My sister laying in the back seat. All right. 46,224 miles on the odometer. A little bit less than what was on there last. A little bit more than what was on there last night. All because of the fact that. Let me take your auto, Missouri. Pop the hood real quick. I know I'm kind of getting out of. Forgetting what this video is actually about. What I meant it to be, so let's see if I can pop the hood open. 3.6 liter direct injection. And the shocks don't work. I don't know how. I'm not going to let this thing drop on me. You got to get a pole. Prop this up. Hold on. I'm warmed up. Let's use an old golf club. Some of you golf people. Hold on. Let me. There we go. And some of you golf fans, these are. I'm not trying to. Oh, that TV's haunted. But don't judge me. I'm using an iron. Don't judge me. I'm using an iron. Golf people don't think I'm trying to abuse this, but yeah. And the battery's actually under the. I don't want to kill that of a car. If you guys want me to, leave it in the comments. If you want me to post a video of me starting up my future car, which is in Christopher, Illinois, where I'm not going to tell you who lives there. But that's where it is. That's where it always has been. From 1990. It's a really good car, dude. If you guys want me to, if you guys want to see a startup of it, Thunderbird's really rare, but if you ever want to see a startup of a Thunderbird, leave it in the comments, and I've got a video of me starting it from June or January. All right, I'm gonna start off with. I explained to you guys all about this thing last night. I got the voice control thing working. All right. Well, I'm going in for the night. Garage door closing. How entertaining is that? I don't want to go in the house filming, but that's it.